This dance is called Good to Be Back Home. It's a 64 count, 2 wall, intermediate level line dance with 2 restarts. Starting on the right foot, walk forward 2 steps, right, left, into a mambo quarter turn. So you can rock forward on that right, recover your weight on that left, make quarter of a turn right, as you step that right to the side. Cross the left over the right, step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right, make a quarter turn right as you step forward on that right, step forward on the left. Now set of steps once more then, walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, mambo, turn, cross, side, behind, turn, step. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on that left, into a coaster cross, right foot leading, back close cross. Step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left, into a kick, ball, cross. Kick the right, ball, crossing that left over the right. That set of steps once more then. Forward rock off on that right. 7, 8, forward rock, coaster, cross, side, touch, kick, ball, cross. Add that to the top. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, mambo, turn, cross, side, behind, turn, step, forward, rock, coaster, cross, side, touch, kick, ball, cross. Step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right. You're going to shuffle forward on the right, but you're going to put a quarter turn on it to start with. So quarter turn into that shuffle. Then into side rock switches. So you're going to rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, and the and count, bring that left beside the right, rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on that left. Now set of steps once more then. Side behind. Turn shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, turn shuffle, side, rock, and side, rock. Let's add that to the top. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, mambo, turn, cross, side, behind, turn, step, forward, rock, coaster, cross, side, touch, kick, ball, cross, side, behind, turn, shuffle, side, rock, and side, rock. Cross the right behind the left, make a quarter turn left as you step forward on that left. Shuffle forward on the right. You're then going to step the left to the side, right beside left, and then a half rubber box forward. Stepping the left to the side, right beside left, stepping that left forward. That set of steps once more then. Behind, turn, shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, behind, turn, right shuffle, side, close, step. Let's add that to the top. Walk, walk, mambo off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, mambo, turn, cross, side, behind, turn, step, forward, rock, coaster, cross, side, touch, kick, ball, cross, side, behind, turn, shuffle, side, rock, and side, rock, behind, turn, right shuffle, side, close, step. That's our halfway point. So for our second half of the dance, step the right to the side, step the left beside the right, into a half back rubber box, stepping right to the side, left beside right, step back on that right. Rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, into a half shuffle turn, making half a turn to start with as you step back on that left, right beside left, step that left back. That set of steps once more then. Side close, half rubber box. off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, back, back, rock, half shuffle. Rock back on the right, recover your weight on that left. Into 2 half shuffle turns. So you're going to turn half a turn left, you step back on that left beside right, step back on that right, into your first half shuffle, then into your second half shuffle, half a turn to the left, stepping forward on the left, right beside left, left forward. Then step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left. That set of steps once more then. Back rock on that right. 7, 8. Back rock, half shuffle, step, pivot. Now we have theoretically in this section got the equivalent of 1.5 turns to the left. Should you need to try and take any of that out or take out that full turn combination, just alter those 2 half shuffle steps. So rock back on the right, recover your weight on that left, then shuffle forward on the right, shuffle forward on the left, then add your step, pivot half on at the end. Takes out that full turn in that section. So non-turning steps should you need them. Let's add that to our halfway point. Side close into our half rumba box off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, back, rock, half shuffle, back, rock, half shuffle, step, pivot. Cross the right over the left, point the left to the side, cross the left over the right, point the right to the side. Add on a jazz box with a cross, crossing the right over, back on the left, right to the side, cross that left over. That set of steps once more then, cross point off on the right. 7, 8, cross, point, cross, back, side, cross. Let's add that to our halfway point. Side close half rumba off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, back, rock, half shuffle, back, rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross, point, cross, back, side, cross. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on that left into a little weave, crossing the right behind the left to the side, cross that right over. Rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, into a left-footed sailor step, behind, side. That set of steps once more then, side rock and weave, off on the right. 7, 8, side, rock, behind, side, cross, side, rock, sailor step. Let's add that to our halfway point. Side close half from the back, off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, back, rock, half shuffle, back, rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross, point, cross, back, side, cross, side, rock, behind, side, cross, side, rock, sailor step. End of the dance when you get to that point. So let's put our 2 halves together. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, mambo, turn, cross, side, behind, turn, step. Forward, rock, coaster, cross, side, touch, kick, walk, cross, side, behind, turn, shuffle, side, rock, and side, rock. Behind, turn, right, shuffle, side, close, step. Side, close, back, rock, half shuffle, back, rock, half shuffle, step, pivot. cross, point, cross, point, cross, back, side, cross, side, rock, behind, side, cross, side, rock, sailor step. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So hopefully that gives you a bit of a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a two-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall, and we'll keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. Walk, walk, mambo off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, mambo, turn, cross, side, behind, turn, step, forward, rock, coaster, cross, side, touch, kick, ball, cross, side, behind, turn, shuffle, side, rock, and side, rock, behind, turn, right, shuffle, side, close, step, side, close, back, back, rock, half shuffle, back, rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross, point, cross, back, side, cross, side, rock, behind, side, cross, side, rock, sailor step, walk, walk, mambo, turn, cross, side, behind, turn, step, forward, rock, coaster, cross, side, touch, kick, ball, cross, side, behind, turn, shuffle, side, rock, and side, rock, behind, turn, right, shuffle, side, close, step, side, close, back, back, rock, half shuffle, back, rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross, point, cross, back, side, rock, behind, side, cross, side, rock, sailor step. So hopefully you managed to follow that, because I did speed it up a little bit on that second wall. So that is your dance. Now there are 2 restarts in this dance. They come on walls 3 and 5 in exactly the same place, 48 counts into the dance. So you basically will have done your back rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, half section. You restart, you don't go into your cross points. So both walls 3 and 5 are your front wall, your 12 o'clock wall. Take you up to 48 counts, restart the dance so you can see where they fit in. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, mambo, turn, cross, side, behind, turn, step, forward, rock, coaster, cross, side, touch, kick, ball, cross, side, behind, turn, shuffle, side, rock, and side, rock, behind, turn, right, shuffle, side, close, step, side, close, back, back, rock, half shuffle, back, rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, restart, walk, walk, mambo, turn, cross, side, behind, turn, step. So hopefully you can see where they fit in. 48 counts into walls 3 and 5. So that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough, and your restart information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, elbow turn, cross, side, behind turn, step. Forward rock, coast across, side touch, kick full cross, side behind, turn shuffle, side rock and side rock, behind turn, right shuffle, side close, side to the step, side close, back, back rock, half shuffle, back rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross, back, side cross, side rock, behind side cross, side rock, second step, walk, elbow turn, cross, side, behind turn step, forward rock, coast and cross, side touch, kick full cross, side behind, turn shuffle, side rock and side rock, behind turn, right shuffle, side close step, side close back, rock, half shuffle, back rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross, back, side cross, side rock, behind side cross, side rock, second step, walk.
It's good to be back home.
Forward rock. Should we start walk? Side behind.
Sometimes the so far
Behind
feels
turn.
like a long lost friend. Yes,
Side close.
it's good to be back home.
Back rock. Restart.
There's
Walk.
all news to tell him.
Forward rock.
How to spend your time.
Side behind.
What's the latest thing neighbors say?
Side close.
Mother called last Friday.
Back rock.
Sunshine made her cry.
Cross points.
Felt the baby move just yesterday.
Side rock.
Hey, it's good to
Should
be
next
back
restart walk.
home again. Sometimes it's so far and feels like a long lost friend. Yes, and hey, it's good to be back home again.
Restart.
All the time that I can lay this tired old body down and feel your fingers feather soft upon me. The kisses that I live for, the love that lights my way, the happiness that living with you brings me. And it's the sweetest thing I know of, just spending time with you. It's the little things that make a house a home. Like a fire softly burning, and supper on the stove, and the light in your eyes that makes me warm. Hey, it's good to be back home again. Yes, it is. Sometimes it's so far and feels like a long lost friend. Yes, and hey, it's good to be back home again. And I said, hey, it's good to be back home again.
Hope you managed that one.